Hello people, it's Moyo K again and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be taking you through how to make a curly wig without closure. And you see that white stain in between, inside, like in the middle of the wig, that's where I'm going to be putting the net to make the closure. So I'm going to be making this wig from scratch, but I decided to already fix at least half of it before I show you guys how to fix it. So now I'm just knotting in a new thread with the old one because I just finished that part. So now I'm starting a new section. So now I'm just going to be sewing the hair to the front of the wig. So you guys should just watch how I do it, and it's going to be self-explanatory. So the first thing I do, of course, is to take the mesh and put it in a part of the net, and then take it out and double knot it along with the other thread. So it's like I'm tying it and then I'm holding it to prevent it from tangling. So it's the same thing I'm going to do here. Take it apart, double knot it, and tie it, drag it, hold it, keep it safe, do everything. So now just forward into the front of the net in a few seconds. Okay you guys, so now I'm going to be curving because I'm going to the front already. So I don't know if you noticed the slight curve I'm already doing, so just to make things look more okay and not just curve in an angle way. So now I'm curving like slightly and going to the front, so sewing it the same way, and then getting to the other side, leaving a reasonable amount of space between the old knot and the new one. So it's just like a space between the last knotted one, like the one underneath, and the one in front should not be too much, so to prevent the hairnet from showing. And the space between the old knot, like the one you knotted previously before knotting the new one, should also be like a finger inch different, like the space in between your finger, like the finger inch different, like you measure your finger, like you place your finger on it to measure the space, kind of. It shouldn't be too small, it shouldn't be too big. If it's too small, it will waste your time. If it's too big, it will be too loose. I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say. So now I'm just adding a new extension to the one that just finished, just to continue my whole circular motion. I hope you guys understood what I just did, because I don't know how to explain it verbally, but I hope it was understandable. And we'll just continue that whole process, sewing everything, making it round and stuff. So now I'm just going to fasten this whole process. And yeah, so you see that white hole there, that white dot. I did not show when I put the net over it. I just showed how I was fixing the hair on the net. Well, then to put the hair over it, what I just did was just to sew it normally, like I was sewing a cloth, like I was attaching a cloth to another cloth. So that is literally what I did. And then after, I just see it now. Okay, I've already put like some hair around it, so you really cannot see how I fixed it because some hair has already been placed over the fixing. So what I do to fix the hair is to get a crochet pin or a latch hook or a hook, whatever hook you shall call it, but the one of the tiny version, the tiniest hook. So I take a little bit of hair on my other hand and put it through the hook of the hook and put it out and then knot it. So I do that in a circular motion until I'm done rounding up the whole net. So you pass the hook through, get a little bit of hair, knot it, and place the hook. So I go in a circular motion. And guys, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. So now this is just me trimming the hair, but the thing is that I would have trimmed this hair after I was done closing the net, but I was too in a hurry, so I wanted to see how it would end up being. I think I tried on the hair at this point, so I wanted to know how it would be being trimmed. I think that was my whole point. But it's fine if you trim the hair after you're done closing it, and it's fine if you trim it before. So I hope you guys enjoyed this
video, and for more tutorials, make sure you guys check out my other videos. And if you want more hair tutorials, please don't be shy to comment in the comment section below. And I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.